are watching World Times with Man. Let's proceed with our global news. This is First Hybrid Floating Ocean Platform. This First Hybrid Floating Ocean Platform was made by a German company named German startup Sinpower. It is used to generate renewable energy from waves, winds and solar energy. It can produce 26 kilowatt of energy at a time when it is fully operational. It can also adjust its platform according to the situation present around it, and it is only placed in our body. It is a boon for our world as it doesn't provide any harm for our world and it is eco-friendly. Next is UN's agenda. UN have set an agenda to transform our world into a peaceful society and to give strength to universal partnership. They are resolved to free the human race from the tyranny of all that things which discriminate each other and want to heal and secure our planet and society. They have planned this agenda for 5 Ps. These P's are planet, people, prosperity, peace and partnership. For this they have set up 17 goals and 169 targets, and they have decided to complete these goals and targets in next 10 to 15 years. We can hope that we have a better world for living after the completion of this agenda. Our next news is amazing fungus. Its history starts with an accident in Karbinal, Ukraine in 1986, where a nuclear reactor exploded, and then after it was found a fungus was growing there named Cladosporium. A point to be noted that any organism cannot live in such a high amount of radiation except this fungus. After research, it was found it uses melanin pigment to convert the radiation into chemical energy through a process called radiosynthesis. This fungus can be used to protect our astronauts from the toxic space radiation which they are exposed in the space. Now, our space organization can function easily without any danger of toxic space radiation. Our next news is man sailed across the Atlantic Ocean. In recent times of COVID, a man named Juan Manuel Balestro sailed across the Atlantic Ocean from Portugal to Argentina, which is 5,600 miles away, to celebrate his father's upcoming 19th birthday. He completed his journey in 75 days and finally celebrated his father's birthday. Next news is India giving message of Vasudha Kutumbakam. In recent times of COVID, when every nation is fighting a fierce battle with this pandemic, including India, it is not battling with it but also helping other countries to overcome it. Till now, India has helped 150 countries by providing them medical equipment and assistance, medicines and other necessary items. Be it earthquake, cyclones or any other natural or man-made crisis, India has responded with speed and solidarity.